Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2B, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and firstly we have to switch to the video mode. So let's tap on the video. If you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now let's take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. We've got three different options. As you can see, after tapping on it you can open them. We've got 4K, 1080p option and 720p. It's up to you which option you want to use. Simply tap on it, for example 1080p, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will use the resolution to record the videos. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.